Hello, everyone, and welcome to week 8 of band e-learning with Mr. Klos. Hopefully, you guys had a great time last week playing through the Star Wars song that we did for our video, and hopefully, you had a chance to play for your family, maybe even to show off a little bit of what you learned. So, that was a lot of fun last week. This week, we are going to embark on a huge project. I mean, gigantic. I mean, enormous. I mean, the biggest thing that we've ever done in District 200, and it's called our Let the Music Ring project. Basically, so many students this year have not had a chance to perform in their concerts in the spring due to being home and working on e-learning. So we're going to give you an opportunity to be able to perform and show off a little bit of what you've learned this year. Basically, what you're going to do is you're going to get a chance to record yourself playing a brief part of a song that you've worked on this year, and you're going to get a chance to go out on your front porch and let the music ring at the same time as many other students in the district. And it's going to be basically a community-wide concert of students playing band, orchestra instruments, and also singing or playing even other instruments. So this is going to be a lot of fun for you guys to be involved in, and I'm really excited to work with you guys on it this week. What I did was I put up some information about the project so that way you can read along with me. This is going to be on your band e-learning sheet for this week. So you'll be able to watch this video like you are right now and also see the information that you need to be able to upload your video for our Let the Music Ring project. So if you read along with me, we're terribly disappointed that so many students have missed out on performing at many concerts this spring. The thought behind this project is to spread the joy of music in the District 200 neighborhoods by having a huge concert of kids playing their favorite song. Won't it be awesome to look down the street and see all these kids perform a selection that is special to them and sharing it with the community? Here are some of the details that you need to know about this project. Basically, pick your favorite song that you've worked on this year. It could be something that you worked on before we stayed at home. It could be something you've worked on in a lesson. It could be one of the songs that we worked on for this project. Maybe something from Star Wars. Maybe it was a pop song that you learned. All right, whatever you'd like to play, basically you're going to think about that song and you're going to get a chance to perform it. On May 15th at 2 o'clock, which is this Friday, you're going to go out on your front porch or your driveway or your front yard, and you're going to play that favorite song for the neighborhood. And at the same time, countless other students are going to be doing the same thing. Let the music ring. What's going to happen then is you're going to have someone in your family, maybe it's a brother, a sister, a parent, or a friend, but make sure you socially distance, record a short clip of you playing the song. It only needs to be about 10 or 15 seconds. And what you're going to do is you're going to record that and you're going to upload the video file to the folder that's listed right here, which you can see. All right, now if you don't want to play in the video, that's perfectly fine. You can just have a picture taken of you as well. But the goal is to get every single member of the band, orchestra, chorus, and fine arts program to be a part of this project. So we want you involved. So you'll take a short video, 10 to 15 seconds of yourself playing, or a picture if you'd like, and you're going to upload the picture or the video to the district folder. Make sure you label the file with the name of your school and grade level. You don't have to put your name. You don't have to put what instrument you play or anything. Just put, for example, Emerson, 5th grade, or Washington, 5th grade, whatever school that you are attending. And then make sure you upload the file to this folder. Click on the link and you'll be able to put your video in there. The deadline for submitting this video will be May 20th at 5 o'clock p.m. And we are going to compile all of these videos into one epic video on May 22nd that you'll be able to watch and enjoy. So not only will you get a chance to perform and hopefully see many other people down the street playing as well, but you'll also get a chance to see the performance online as well. So we are looking forward to an absolutely wonderful project. It's going to be a lot of fun. I know for a fact I am really excited to be involved and see what you guys are going to put together. And I can't wait to see everybody perform since we haven't had a chance to be able to have our concerts this year. So hopefully this will be a fun way to kind of close out the school year and still get a chance to perform and play our instruments for everyone. So we're really looking forward to it. And like I said, we want every student involved. We want all ages to be involved in this. So do your part, make the video, send in a picture, and make sure that you're included in this because it's going to be so much fun and it's going to be a great thing to kind of commemorate this school year. This is the first and main assignment that we're going to be doing this week. You can also continue to send in your videos on Flipgrid if you're doing the Band Achievement Challenge. But the most important thing is that we take a look at this project. This is going to be your main focus for this week, and we want everyone to be involved. So make sure you read through all this information, watch this video, and do everything you can to make sure you get your video or picture uploaded to our folder by May 20th. That's our goal. So make sure you take a look. And this Friday, hopefully we see everybody outside playing and having a lot of fun with this project. So have a great rest of the week. And if anybody has any questions or anything, please send me an email so I can help you out with anything you need. All right. Have a great week, everybody.